In the fertile lands of the Aegean, in the Torbalı district of İzmir, lies a city silently hidden by time, the ancient city of Metropolis. Today, this area, surrounded by stone ruins, was once one of the most important settlements in Anatolia. The word Metropolis means mother city in ancient Greek, and this name clearly reflects the importance the city held throughout history. Beginning to develop in the 4th century BC, Metropolis was located at the intersection of trade routes, thanks to its strategic location. This location made the city a powerful center, not only economically, but also culturally and socially. The theater rising before us represents the heart of the city. Thousands of people gathered here to watch performances and participate in ceremonies. This structure was not only a place of entertainment, but also a symbol of social unity and cultural sharing. Metropolis experienced great development during the Hellenistic period. Then, with Roman rule, the city was enriched with new buildings, baths, and monumental areas. Colonnaded streets, temple ruins, and mosaics carry the architectural splendor of the city to the present day. Walking here, we're not just wandering among stones, but also immersed in the daily life of thousands of years ago. Merchants traded in these streets, children played, and people gathered in the theater. Each ruin is like a gateway to the past. Although nature and history have silenced Metropolis over time, archaeological excavations are bringing this ancient city back to light. Each new find adds another piece to Anatolia's rich cultural heritage. The ancient city of Metropolis is not just an archaeological site. It is a living memory of humanity's shared past. Every stone we see here tells the story of the rise, change, and continuity of civilizations. Civilizations come and go, but the traces they leave behind live on forever. The silent but powerful story of Metropolis continues to exist in the heart of the Aegean, like a bridge built between the past and the present. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more historical discoveries and cultural heritage journeys like this.